Angel, and we have breaking news from NAIA Terminal 1. Last day, a serious incident took place in the departure area involving a young girl who was struck by an SUV. Eyewitnesses report that the situation unfolded quickly, prompting immediate action from security personnel and emergency responder on site. As the scene developed, barriers were erected to ensure the safety of other passengers, while medical team worked diligently to provide care to those affected. The young lady received prompt attention and her condition is currently being assessed. Authorities are now conducting an investigation to determine the circumstances surrounding this unfortunate event. We will keep you updated with any information as it becomes available. For now, our focus are with those affected person. Stay safe and thank you for tuning in.